Most car gadgets sound great until you actually need them. These are the products I've used and would buy again without hesitation. And one of these can literally save you from being stranded. I don't recommend gimmicks if it doesn't make driving safer, easier, or more reliable. It doesn't stay in my car. First, a portable jump starter. If your battery dies and you're alone, this is the difference between waiting hours or driving away in minutes. I consider this mandatory gear for every driver. Second, a portable tire inflator. Low tire pressure is one of the most common causes of roadside trouble, and most people ignore it until it's too late. This lets you fix the problem in minutes, instead of hoping you make it to a gas station. Third, a wireless CarPlay adapter. Not a safety upgrade, but once you stop plugging your phone in every drive, you won't go back. It's one of those upgrades you forget is even there. Fourth, a compact car vacuum, because a dirty interior slowly destroys how a car feels. This is small enough to keep in the trunk and strong enough that you'll actually use it. Fifth, a roadside emergency kit. You hope you never need it, but when you do, nothing else matters. Prepared drivers think ahead. Sixth, a dash cam. Because if something happens on the road, opinions don't matter, footage does. Last, a simple upgrade that makes driving easier every single day, a good trunk organizer. It stops groceries, gear, and everything else from sliding around, keeping your trunk neat and your items secure. Every driver carries things they hope they never need, but the smart ones carry the gear that keeps them moving. I've linked every product below so you can check current pricing if you want to see what drivers are choosing. Thanks for watching.